You want to speak English? Only by the PractE Speaking English you can become perfect. PractE app helps you to speak English fluently. 6 members in each group have to speak English for 2 minutes, one after the other. You can read from a newspaper, book or an article. You can first speak and then you listen to the other members. In this way, you can improve your English speaking skills. After completing beginner stage, intermediate and advanced stages will improve your English speaking fluency. Chit-chat mode, you can speak English with other members without any time limit. Public speaking, American and British accent will further improve your English speaking to be more fluent. PractE app will enable members to speak English worldwide and improve your professional and future opportunities. Download PractE from Play Store or App Store immediately. Download PractE app today and become fluent in English through fun, interactive learning.